Hi guys, I'm to show you today my project here. We started today to clean the concrete surface, to clean it and remove all the dust. You can see here we cleaned that section here and we didn't clean that section, and we cleaned the section at the back, so you can see the big difference between clean surface and non-clean and the clean surface. So you can see big difference here. But we decided today I will do clean surface for all the area again, double clean to make sure it will be good before I will put concrete sealer, because if I put concrete sealer here, that is a clean area and that is dirt area, so it will be ugly. So what I will do clean concrete surface again from the back end coming this way all the way down. So make sure it will be clean surface. So I will put concrete sealer tomorrow morning early in a low temperature, cold weather. So you can see how it is. See how it gets dirty water, you can see, and we are using pressure wash with big broom to push everything to the other side. So guys, that's how to do clean surface with concrete slab. Okay guys, make sure everything is clean. We are working this way, going down. So it will looks good after we finish. We'll do clean surface. Okay guys, if you like this video, please just follow, subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys.